Hello. In this video, I'll walk you through how to troubleshoot the issue of no data or missing monitors in Site24x7 APM Insight for .NET applications. Let's first check things for IIS-hosted applications. Open the APM Insight .NET Agent Configuration tool. Under the Applications tab, check if your IIS site or application is selected for monitoring. If it's not selected, enable the checkbox and click Save to apply the changes. Now open IIS Manager. Under your server node, click on Worker Processes to view currently running app pools. If your application's application pool is not listed here, it means the application is not actively serving requests. Open your browser and access your application to trigger some requests. Once the app starts serving requests, you'll see its pool under Worker Processes, and the APM Insight agent should begin capturing data. Now let's verify in Site24x7. Go to APM Insight, Applications, and check if your app appears in the list. Now let's check for .NET Windows services. Open the APM Insight .NET Agent Configuration tool again. This time, go to the Windows Services tab and ensure your service is selected for monitoring. Next, open the Services console by running services.msc from the command prompt. Find your service, right-click it, and choose Restart or Start if it's not already running. Once the service is running and starts processing tasks, the APM Insight agent will begin capturing data automatically. Go back to the Site24x7 portal and check under APM Insight, Applications to see if your service monitor is listed. That's it. You've now learned how to troubleshoot missing data or monitors in APM Insight for .NET apps. For more videos, subscribe to the Site24x7 YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.